Okay, so here we have a typical setup on a door panel from the rear. You can see here, this is the rear of the keypad. This is our microphone. Here is a front panel board. This is an OLED panel. The camera, and as you can see, pre-wired to the reader and pre-wired to the keypad. So your cabling only involves cabling this plug up here. Okay. Cabling wise, you have a 12 volt and 0 volt input here. We recommend a minimum of a 0.75 flex. If you use a 3-core flex, then you can use the earth to earth the front panel, the back box, which is a must. After that, you have data B, data A and 0, speech S1, S2, and in for your door release. These two at present are not used, but they will be used in the future for outputting a Twisted Pair video. Your speaker and your microphone are pre-connected on with little white plugs here. And these are the volume controls here for the microphone and speaker, and that's your tone volume control, i.e. door open tones, keypad pushes, etc, etc. That controls that volume. Obviously you don't want that too loud because it will annoy close by neighbours. The camera itself has a BNC input and a power input. The 0.75 that you run into here, you can also run to there. BNC is obviously a standard BNC connection. You could also use Twisted Pair if you put a power in here.